vacuum cleaning. A little, so I've got all this clutter on the floor. I said it was a little. Okay. It's a little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. Alright. Just measuring SPL. So I'll put it about this height. It's not too bad on the loudness. Okay. It's a bit difficult to hold it. I'll just pause the video, and then I'm going to hold the vacuum cleaner, raise it off the floor and get an average, see what the SPL changes at. But I can't do two things at the same time, so I'm not an octopus. Only a margin change in SPL when raising it off the floor by a few inches. Microphone above, which is about average height of me. Turn the vacuum cleaner off. Let's just set that up there. Okay. Let's have a look at the wasset. Not you know, it takes quite a bit of lab experimenting. So let's just set that there. Maybe about there. Anyway, it's not really to give me an SPL reading. The SPL meter tells me roughly, alright, it's about that sound pressure level at roughly the frequency range. So it's peaking at around about 534 Hz. Do it again. 529. Just look at FF2. Yeah, 529 Hz. Or roughly could be about, that's centered. Could be 534. 500 between 530 or 529 and 534. It's got a peak. It's probably a resonant frequency. enough of that. That gives the average on the Hoover whirlwind. Yeah. So I only wanted to do a short video, so there it is. How many people do reviews of vacuum cleaners and SPL or F? You know, get a REW and microphone, place it at a height, averagely about ear height here, because obviously if I brought that microphone in closer, that frequency scale would change. But averagely, you know, about that height. If I take another reading, so it would be about this height level. Okay, about that height level. Set it there. And move away from it. SPL drops down. Go out of the room. Go out of the room. Change the SPL meter reading. It's about 50. It's under 60 dB. 58. About 58 or so. Yeah.